Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I want to explain what you should do if your smartwatch isn't connecting or pairing with your Android phone. I'll be using a Xiaomi Poco for this tutorial. If you already have the app installed, I recommend uninstalling it and downloading it again so you can follow these steps exactly as I show them. First, make sure you are using the correct application. Look for the QR code icon on your watch. It's usually in the settings or the main menu. If you can't find it there, check the user manual or the original box. Permissions. Before opening the app for the first time, ensure Bluetooth is on. Then, long press the app icon and select App Info. Go to App Permissions and enable Location, Nearby Devices, and Photos/Gallery. Open the app and accept the terms and conditions. You may need to create an account or sign in as a guest. You need to go to Settings and look for the option that says Connect or Pair Device. If your watch doesn't show up in the list of available devices when you try to connect, it's likely because you need to factory reset or restart your smartwatch. With some of these watches, once they have been paired before, they won't appear in the search list again until they are reset. That is why it's so important to format or factory reset the device first. Once it has restarted, you can try the pairing process all over again. Notifications. To enable social media alerts, look for Notifications or Messages. Select the app you want to activate. A pop-up should appear asking you to enable notification access in your phone settings. I'm using Fit Pro for this video, but it might be different for your watch model. Once enabled, return to the app and toggle the notifications you need. Custom wallpaper. To set a personal photo, look for Gallery, Dial Market, or Dial. Choose Custom Background. This will open your phone's gallery. Pick your favorite photo and tap Install. Important: make sure your watch battery is fully charged. If it turns off during the image transfer, the device could be damaged. With this tutorial, your watch will be connected, and you'll have access to messages, notifications, and custom wallpapers. If you like this video, I'd be very grateful if you subscribe and comment. Cheers, and see you in the next video.